Some aircraft coming in now. Touch and go. So this gate here. When the military come in, they tend to land over here, but not today. It doesn't look like. There's a tower where I was up before. A little bit of a walk down here. Should be pretty much over here, pretty much right underneath the flight path now. Can't see anything landing now, anything coming in. Looking now. I think there's one swinging round. I think this is going to be another Piper. Might be doing a touch and go again. Should be turning in a minute to come through here. Oh God, that was long. Jesus, it must have only been 50 foot above my head. Stand over here. I just did it that low last time I stood here. Big jump, biggie jump, even biggie jump with that one. Not bad about the F-35s and the F-15s, but he jumped there. That was low. God. Let's see if anything else comes in. There's another one coming in now. Let's see how low he gets. There's another one coming in now. It's coming sideways. Jeez, he's low. Just one more coming in. I'll just film this one. Right underneath it here, right underneath flight path. Ooh, it's wobbling a bit. Touch and go. So there you go, that's this side of the aerodrome. So we'll wander back now.